Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Capital One credit cards account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Capital One credit cards account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in Capital One credit card login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. From the search results, tap on first link shown on the page. It will take you to the login page of Capital One credit cards account. Enter your username and password associated with the Capital One credit cards account and tap on sign in. Tick mark on the box that says remember me in case if you want your ID to be remembered next time you log in. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on Forgot Username or Password option. This is how you can log into your Capital One credit cards account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.